Hey guys, so today we're going to be using this one. Not the volcano because it didn't erupt. Well, kind of did. Today we're doing Erupting Blizzard. Lab supplies. Lab station, we're in 1 measuring cup. It's in the hand with vinegar, water, 1 measuring spoon. This is a spoon. One sodium polycrete packet. This is it. Grab these from your house. Water, disposable cup, and paper towels. These are the paper towels. We're going to be using this one today. Disposable cup. Step 1. Perform this experiment in the bottom right compartment of the lab station. This. Step 2. Fill the measuring cup with 20 milliliters of water and pour it into a disposable cup. Well, we already did that before we started the video. I'm going to pour it. There. Dry off your measuring cup before moving to the next step. Step 3. Add 1 spoonful of sodium polycrete to the measuring cup and place it in the lab station compartment. Step 4. Pour the water slowly into the measuring cup and watch what happens. This is sodium polycrete, or whatever it's called, I forgot. Polycrete? Put the water in here. Watch what happens. Now this is gonna be like snowy. We can play. This is what happens. It turned into snow. That's snow.